Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy, Julie Jules, and we are back with another unboxing video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Gamesir Cyclone 2 multi-platform wireless controller. Now, I don't know too much about this controller yet, so let's just go ahead and open it up and see what this bad boy is about. Okay, we got everything unboxed. Comes with a 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle for low latency connection. They give you a sticker, a Gamesir sticker. Here is the charging cord. It's a USB-C to USB-A, or you can plug this directly into the controller, into your PC. Also comes with a charging dock. So this is what it looks like on the actual charging dock. That's actually really dope. Really nice and clean look. Now for the controller, it has high precision TMR sticks. It has tactical buttons. So basically these tactical buttons are like mechanical buttons. So think of a keyboard, a mechanical keyboard, which are better to use than other keyboards. So it's more responsive. So that's going to be really interesting to see how that changes gameplay with mechanical buttons. That's actually really dope. Has mechanical D-pad as well. Mechanical D-pads are, well, a mechanical D-pad is going to be more responsive as well as the mechanical buttons. So that's really dope. Also, you have these micro switches on these buttons right here. So basically, like, you see how I'm pressing down all the way, like, to shoot. Now, if you want to make these like hairline triggers, then there's a button right here that slides. So you slide that, and now it becomes a hairline trigger. So you see I barely am pressing down on that. So that's going to be very useful for if you have a pistol in Call of Duty or PUBG, or maybe you have a DMR or something, and you want to shoot faster. That's going to give you the ability to shoot faster. So you can do it as well for here, which would make it faster to like aim down sights or whatever. So that's actually really, really dope. And then it has two buttons on the back. These are macro buttons on the back. So I really like, when I'm playing games, I don't really need any more than two back buttons. So that's pretty dope. And these are big back buttons, so that's really dope to have. It sits real nicely in your hand when you're, holding it. There's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right here if you want to plug in your headset. It also has anti-slip grip right here on the handle. So it's really dope because this part is real nice and smooth. And then right here, it has the grip. So this controller can be used for PC, Nintendo Switch, Android, or iOS. So if you're a mobile gamer, this might be something that is for you, because it might be a game changer to have something like this that is compatible with mobile. All right, so let's go ahead and get this all hooked up and test it out and see how good it is. Okay, y'all, now we have the Gamesir Connect app, and this is where you're going to do all your adjusting as far as how you want the lights to look on your controller, to the dead zones for your triggers, dead zones to your sticks, and also where you're going to remap your buttons, which is right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how to do that real quick. So you want to click into switch to shift layer. So it's going to show full screen of the controller. And I'm going to just show y'all like what I switched my the two back buttons to, because those are the only two buttons that I really change for Call of Duty. So for the left, it's called L4. So for the left back button, you're gonna click on this, and I want that to be my plates. So gonna make that be Y, and then you click the Y button right there, and then for the R4, which is the right back button, click on that, and then that's what I want to be my jump. So I'm gonna make that A. You see how this is still highlighted, kind of? It's like kind of, you want to click the A down there, and then you're good to go. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna look at the lighting for the controller. The controller lights up. It's actually really, really dope. As of right now, it is off. You can see that there are 4 lights up here and 5 presets. So we're gonna go ahead and go through the presets real quick. So we're gonna turn on the flow. Rainbow. Pulse. Standoff. And alarm. So you can adjust the brightness if you like, and the speed of how it rotates through the colors. I'm not going to mess with any of that right now. I like my brightness all the way up, and I like the speed right where it is. Also, there's more settings in here. If you go into the light settings right here, you can go ahead and adjust some things right here. I'm not going to check any of that stuff. Like I said, I like the controller the way it is, but you can adjust to your liking. So that is it for this app. And let's go ahead and check out some gameplay and see how the controller performs.
Your squad mate lost.
Oh, I did it in the back.
Hey man, we got it.
Where? Oh, he's in the corner. What the fuck?
Oh, damn, I thought you had him. So I looked in there and I was like, he's not even. Dang, we suck, Joel.
Bro, like I looked over there and I didn't see nothing.
I know, and I must have missed it too. That's funny. He's probably like, what idiots.
I was sitting there like where am I getting shot from? Like,
Yeah. I thought you got him. I was like, he's in there. He was.
I know I killed one that was in there.
Enemy grenade.
What?
War is for the warriors. Your RTB.
Well, I don't have enough.
You ever see people sitting courtside and be like, what the fuck do you do?
Yeah.
You should see over here where I live, Jules. I live in a very rich part of Texas, but we're not wealthy at all. But the people around here driving Lamborghinis, Corvettes, and Ferraris and shit, they drive around like
Loadout drop headed your way.
They'll pull up to like Sonic in a fucking Ferrari, dude. It's wild.
Damn.
And it's like a bug.
Gas is closing in.
What?
Relocating safe zone.
Jeezy's got our Jules has got all the money, I guess. Here's my money, I'm gonna drop it.
On B-Way.
Thank you.
Oh, right below me. I'm throwing loadout.
squad's in the safe zone.
Ah, he's up in the window.
Gas is closing in.
I'm safe, but he's up in the window. You gotta stay behind the loadout.
Fear not, I will not strip you for
Is he
spare
up top
parts.
window, bud, or what?
Yeah.
Oh wow, what the fuck?
Oh, I'm coming, Jules, I'm coming.
I just got fucking smoked.
I got him. I got him.
Yep, I'm shooting.
Thank you.
Moving here.
Takes more than that to finish me.
Jump on the roof.
I gotta back out because I have no healing. Oh fuck! I just got smoked again.
Yeah, I broke him on the roof.
Okay, I got plates for you guys.
I want
Thank
to.
you.
I got Muni here.
That's our field upgrade.
I needed to play bad.
Another one.
Jeezy. Fucking Jeezy shitting on him. That guy was fucking us up. That sniper was legit, dude.
Yeah, I was pretty much standing still each time, so I'm not gonna give him credit, but
Yeah, I was too.
You got any eyes on him, Jeezy?
No, it's back here, I think.
like they ran off.
No, there's only one left. He's
Enemy
creeping
UAV
around back
online.
here.
I hear him on comm.
Hostile UAV in the area.
I don't.
Shit.
That wasn't Insta though, was it?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's a team mark.
Jeezy turned on the hex. I like it.
I like it. Pushing that. Oh, there he is.
Hey man, we got enemy man back here.
He's in that building here. Someone just parachuted in, green mark. Another one just parachuted in.
Not over there yet.
Oh.
Find us, find us.
We've got gas inbound. Safe zone.
Oh,
There's one up in the window behind you too, Jules.
Increased
Green
power
field.
for this job. Be
Get on
sure to
camera.
Opposite
collect.
side of Bud.
Jeezy, did you need your guns?
No.
Got one knocked.
I got this guy dead.
Fuck, dude, I'm fucking him up. I can't
Got him broke down here.
finish my kill, please. Got him.
Dead.
Good shit. There's two more. They just put a smoke
Someone-
tank to stay in the gas. See that?
We got someone back on our green mark where we came from.
This guy went in the zone. Found him.
I
Dead.
am still just warming.
Let's go, all dude. Oh no, another one.
Shit.
Oh,
They have a gas mask at all?
Gas is
Go
moving in.
right.
New
I just
safe zone
picked one up.
located.
Oh, okay.
I just picked one up too.
That's fucking dumb, bro.
Watch that zip, watch that zip.
Yep.
Yep.
Still might go. Yep. Might try, Y'all gotta jump, and they're gonna
2v1v1. 2v1v1.
Stay right there, yeah. You can. Jules is.
FFE, danger close. Over. Incoming LDVR.
Here's a gas
One.
mask here. Cool.
Nice.
Oh, fuck, why did
Fuck, bro, I didn't try to.
Oh.
Gas is closing
There's
in.
still one more, I think. Yeah, still one more. He's right behind the tanks. Right behind the red tank. I can see his legs.
You've got gas
No.
moving in.
Nice. All right, y'all. So that's going to do it for this video. My final thoughts are, and I'm going to be completely honest with y'all, this controller is hands down the best controller I've ever used. And like I said, I do have the PlayStation 5 Dual Sense Edge controller, and I do have the Xbox Elite 2 controller, okay? So I'm not lying about that. I do have these controllers, and this Gamesir Cyclone 2 is the best one out of all of them. Not just, you know, the way that it feels, the customization that you have with the controller, it's just hands down the best. When I play with my PS5 Dual Sense controller and the Xbox Elite 2 controller, when I'm like in gunfights, like I might hit the right analog stick, which is my drop shot, and it's so sensitive that I end up like just going into my drop shot when I'm not actually trying to go into my drop shot. But with this controller, like I don't have that problem. And I have done some like tweaking of the sticks on the DualSense controller and the Xbox Elite 2 controller so that like I have to press harder for that action to happen, but it still is a problem in game. Like I end up drop shotting when I'm not trying to, but with the Gamesir controller, I don't have that issue. And I just found myself winning way more gunfights than I win with the Xbox Elite 2 and the PS5 Dual Sense controller. As you can see in the gameplay, if it was me seeing a person and them seeing me, I was winning the gunfight. Okay. So I don't know. I mean, y'all just have to let me know what you think. And for $50, you cannot get a better controller for $50. So if you're looking for a controller that does have back buttons and it has some customization, this is honestly the best controller out there. And I promise you, this controller is going to take your game to a whole nother level. Like, no joke. Having the hairline triggers and stuff like that, like it just honestly, like I haven't played with a controller in months, maybe even like a year, because I've been playing keyboard and mouse because I just didn't like my controllers that I had. But now that I have this controller, I'm probably going to be playing, when I play Call of Duty, I'm probably going to use controller instead of keyboard and mouse. So let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about the controller. If you think that you're going to get one, or if you're fine with the ones that you got, or if you just think this looks cool or whatever, let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you check down in the description, I do have a referral link. And so if you buy through TikTok, I do get a kickback. So, but that's my honest review. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not sponsored, but I did get a referral link. So if you would like to help a brother out, hit that link if you're going to buy one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.